sure that the life jacket straps do not trail on the deck. In stairways and alleyways, you should keep to the right. Once everyone is at their muster station, you will be instructed in the ship's safety and emergency procedures. This exercise is a requirement of law, and those passengers who embark today must attend. This is the bridge. This is the bridge. This is the bridge. This is the bridge.
Attention please, this is the bridge. For exercise. The general emergency station signal is about to be sounded for exercise purposes only.
This is the bridge.